When an electrical safety report indicates unsatisfactory conditions, it is important to address these issues promptly. The property owner or the individual responsible for commissioning the report should review the observations and recommendations carefully to understand the underlying concerns. Each item listed in the report is classified as follows. Code 1, C1. This indicates a danger presence with a risk of injury and immediate remedial action is required. During the inspection, the electrical engineer may have disconnected part or all of the affected areas to prevent further hazards. These issues must not be re-energised until repairs have been completed and further testing has confirmed the safety of the installation. This process is essential to ensure compliance with the electrical installation condition report. It is crucial that the property owner or the responsible party takes immediate action to address these urgent matters to ensure safety and compliance. Code 2, C2. This indicates a potentially dangerous condition that requires urgent remedial action. During the inspection, the electrical engineer will have identified the issues that need to be addressed. It is important to exercise caution when using the affected circuits until the necessary repairs are completed and further testing confirms the safety of the electrical installation. Code 3, C3. This indicates that improvements are recommended. During the inspection, the electrical engineer will have identified areas where repairs or upgrades could enhance the safety of or performance of the electrical system. It is advisable to exercise caution when using the circuits until the recommended repairs are completed and subsequent testing confirms the installation's condition. Code FI. Further investigation. This classification suggests that there are further issues. The electrician may have identified them and further thorough investigation needs to be carried out, whether it's going through the cabling, going through on the consumer unit and checking where the issues are. It could be cables, could be junction boxes, it could be something more sinister. Prompt action by the property owner or the person responsible for arranging the repairs is vital to maintain safety and ensure compliance with regulations. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.